Hello everyone, my name is Asenet Peña and I'm 19 years old and I live with my parents and my brothers. Today I want to share my experience. Well, when I traveled with my family to Europe, it was amazing. First of all, we had to plan this trip 5 months ago, so we was very excited with this opportunity. I decided trying in plane. So when we arrived to Europe, we were very tired. So we decided to stay in a hotel and take a nap. After we started our adventure for this beautiful city, we went to know all the city and I brought my camera and I took some pictures with my family in tourist place. We were exhausted and hungry, so we went to visit the restaurant Marshmallows, very famous in France. So we had lunch, a meal called dinner, very delicious, but the restaurant is a little expensive. And we drank some French wine, and finally we eat dessert. Then we left at the restaurant and we went to know Eiffel Tower. It was cool. I could to find out each place on the tower and take a lot of pictures. Also, I bought something meaningful of the tower. While I was to know the tower, I was trying to get speed with someone and shine culture and experience. Until a girl asked me a direction, but I say her that I didn't know because I was tourist and the girl too. So we started had two conversation night. She spoke French very well and fluency, but I couldn't do well. However, it was nice to speak with her. The next day, we visited the candy store, very famous in French. The places are very beautiful and big. There are different types of candy. We don't buy a lot of candy because we don't like a lot of candy. After, I went to buy a book, so we went to the library called Chaikeners and Company. Very famous in France. The library is a place very organized and comfortable. There are books of a lot of gender. I bought two books, and my mother bought a book the recipes. We were trying for discovery a lot of places amazing. All it was fantastic and funny. I hope that someday we can go to back.